Hello, class 7. Today we continue with exercise 12D word problems. So, question number 16. The difference between two numbers is 7. 6 times the smaller plus the larger is 77. Find the numbers. So, let's assume that the required numbers are x and y, and we are talking about the difference between the two numbers. So, we can write x minus y is equal to 7. This means that x is greater than y. So x is the larger number and y is the smaller number. So we can replace this as bringing the 7 in the left hand side. We can write x minus 7 is equal to y. So the value of y is x minus 7. Now according to the question, which says 6 times the smaller, that means 6 times y is smaller than x. So 6 into smaller number y plus the larger, means plus x, which is the larger number, is 77. So 6y plus x is equal to 77 is the required equation that we need to form first. Now y is equal to x minus 7. So we'll replace this y by x minus 7. So 6 into y, that is x minus 7, plus x is equal to 77. Okay, now we need to open the bracket and solve the equation. 6 into x is 6x minus 6 into 7 is 42 plus x is equal to 77. 6x plus x is 7x, and 77 minus 42 goes over there as plus 42. So 7x is equal to this, after addition you'll get 119. So x is equal to 119 by 7 when it goes down to the denominator. So x is equal to, when you divide 119 by 7, you'll get 17. So x is equal to 17. And now earlier we have said that y is equal to x minus 7. So putting this value of x as 17 in y is equal to x minus 7, you'll get 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So the required numbers are 17 and the other number is 10. So 17 and 10 are the required numbers. Next is question number 18. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So here we have to find the fraction. So let's assume the numerator to be as x and the denominator to be as y. Therefore, the required fraction will be x by y. Now, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. So numerator is 4 less. That means numerator is less than denominator. So if numerator is x, then it will be equal to denominator which is greater than the numerator. If you subtract 4 from denominator which is greater than x, if you subtract 4, then it will be equal to the numerator x. So x will be equal to y minus 4. Now according to the question, if you add 1 to both the numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. So x by y is the fraction. If you add 1 in both the numerator and denominator, it will be equal to 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by y plus 1 equals 1 by 2. Now you have got x is equal to y minus 4. Put the value of x over here as y minus 4. You will get y minus 4 plus 1 by y plus 1 equals 1 by 2. Now further simplifying it, you will get y minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Y plus 1 equals 1 by 2. Cross multiply 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 1 into y plus 1. So opening the bracket, you will get 2 into y is 2y minus 2 into 3 is 6 equals y plus 1. Now let's bring this y in the left hand side. You will get 2y minus y equals 1 minus 6 comes out over here as plus 6. So 2y minus y is y and 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. This means that the value of y is 7. And x is equal to y minus 4. This is what we have got earlier. So y is 7 minus 4 equals 3. So x is 3 and y is 7. Therefore, the required fraction x by y will be equal to 3 by 7. This is the required answer.